Understanding Bleed Someone White, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, bleed someone white. This expression has a rich history and a metaphorical meaning that we'll explore together. If you're curious about how and when to use it, you're in the right place. Bleed someone white is a figurative expression used to describe a situation where one person or entity drains the resources of another, often to the point of exhaustion or depletion. It's not about physical harm but about taking so much from someone that they are left with nothing or very little. This could refer to money, energy, or other valuable resources. The phrase is believed to have originated from the practice of bloodletting, a medical procedure used in ancient times, thought to cure or prevent illnesses by draining blood from the patient. The connection to the phrase lies in the idea of draining something essential, in this case, resources or vitality, from an individual. Now that we understand what it means, let's see how to use it in context. Here are a few examples. The endless legal battles have bled the company white, leaving it struggling to cover its basic expenses. He was worried that the high cost of living in the city would bleed him white. The corrupt government officials have bled the country white with their excessive taxation and embezzlement. These examples show the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal financial situations to broader socioeconomic issues. When using the phrase, bleed someone white, it's important to understand its strong connotations. It implies a severe or harmful level of extraction, often unfair or unethical. Therefore, it should be used carefully, in contexts where the severity of the situation is clear and the imagery of being drained is appropriate. We hope this exploration of the phrase, bleed someone white, has been enlightening. It's a powerful expression that captures the idea of severe exploitation or depletion of resources. As with many idiomatic expressions, context is key, and now you're well equipped to use this phrase accurately and effectively in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language tips.